In my last video, the water was pretty dirty, and this was just 24 hours ago. I wanted to show you guys what the water looks like when I don't mess with the grow beds, I don't stir up all the muck. I want to show you how clean the water can get. Do a quick little video so you guys can see the fish and just how clean this water is. You guys are actually pretty hungry. What do you say we feed them? Give them some food. Duckweed growing pretty good in that one. Oh, this is the stuff I used on the bed. This one against, so it was BT that I used against the worms, and the neem oils for the other bugs. Let's see here, where's the, oh, there's fish food. Don't mind my Florida room. It's a workshop, work in progress. Don't pay no attention to that. Let's feed these fish. Then we'll take a look into the into this tank here when we're done. All right, hungry fish. Oh yeah. Good and hungry. And then when I want to give them some duckweed, I'll come over here, I'll lift this guy up. You see how that duckweed just goes right down the standpipe. Let this go for a few seconds. And as you can see, it's starting to accumulate down here. Right in here. Let's take a look in the filter. One of the updates I did, I don't think I showed you guys, is I added to this bucket. I had another scrap 5-gallon bucket, and I just zip tied it to the end there. And then on the back side, I cut the hole out, and of course I stirred it up. Let's go in. Pretty dirty in there, huh? So we'll put our buckets back in. What did they zoom in on me? It just sits in there like that. Screw this guy down. Bob's your uncle. That's all I wanted to show you is how clean that water is. Until next time, you guys have a great day.